someone, shoot him. No, God said no. You can't protect peoples. Yeah, no, you can't protect peoples, God. No, you said protect peoples. Oh, no. Do you want to be upset with me? Yes. Said God. Set the library. Look at this. I found something really cool. A boat ship. What is it called? It's called boat ship. Boat ship? What's boat ship called? That means you sail across the sea. Sail across the sea? Yeah. It's called when you save someone. Hurry up. That's a caboose. Someone needs help. There's a fire in the house. And you said God. You was so and bless you. And I never see the moms again.
You reading?
Well, I'm reading because...
You are so good. Can't believe how good you are. Read all by yourself? What? You can do that? What are you reading about, buddy? What's the book about?
I don't know.
You don't know? You almost finished the whole book. Good job.
He must hurry because it's getting darker. It's getting darker. The ship about to crash. He must hurry.
The end? Good job. I'm proud of you.